Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, it definitely would lead you to think that this is going to make a bigger move to the upside. We did have a break, even though it didn't hold on the 1 hour. We also have a very clear support area right here, as you can see. I personally am having a very hard time becoming bullish in any way, though, because of the 4 hour to daily time frame. I still think that this looks like it's in a wave C. I still think this potentially could even be like a wave one, wave two, and wave three. If it is a 1, 2, 3 of C, then I would think that it would go down to maybe the 1.148 area at the 100% for a running ABC. Or if it's an expanding ABC, it could even go all the way down to the 1.12 area for the 161%. So, like I said, I'm having a very hard time being bullish in any big way. I would be looking at any move I see to the upside as possibly nothing more than a pullback within a downtrend. So if you do see a break to the upside, definitely throw your Fibonacci retracement on there. I think as of right now, I would probably just want my fib like this. But honestly, it doesn't even really have to make a move up. It could just keep on going down. It might just be bouncing because of the very clear support area that we are sitting at now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.